Hey, what is going on? Mark B. Kabatbat here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano gumamit ng Google Meet application. Okay? Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel ko, you can click on subscribe button, i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga tutorials and lessons kagaya nito. Okay, hit the like and comment down kung ano pa yung mga gusto mong malaman or gusto nyong malaman na pwede nating gawin. Okay? So ano nga ba itong si Google Meet? Google Meet is a video communication services developed by Google. So I'll be teaching you the step-by-step procedure kung paano ginagamit ang Google Meet. So first, what you're going to do is to open Google Chrome or any browser. So I'll be using Google Chrome. And then on your browser, all you have to do is to type meet.google.com. Let us just wait. Okay? Kung hindi pa naka-login yung account mo, all you have to do is to click Start Meeting. May mga options tayo na nandito. Okay? So we have to join a meeting, we have to start a meeting. Either of the two, you need to sign in. Kailangan mo mag-sign in. Okay? If you are a teacher, you need to sign in. But if you are a student, kailangan mo rin mag-sign in ng iyong account. So that is a requirement for meeting or Google Meet. Okay? So you can just click on Start Meeting here or Start Meeting here. Okay? So just click on Start Meeting. And then, it will allow you to sign in your account. Okay? On my case, andito yung mga account ko. Okay? So, kapag bago lang yung account mo or hindi ka pa nakapag-sign in or hindi mo na-remember yung account mo or your Gmail account on your browser, tatanungin ka niya kung ano yung mga yan. So, in my case, I'll be clicking kabatbatmark@gmail.com. Pero kapag hindi, ayun, halimbawa, use another, wala pa sa nakalist yung inyong Gmail account. Okay? So, for the sake of this video, I'll be using my debit account. Okay? And then just click on Next. Followed by, of course, you're going to enter your password. Then just click on Next for us to access the meet.google.com. Yeah. So I'm using my desktop. Ayun. So nagkakaroon tayo ng problema when it comes to the camera. But with the audio, no, andyan naman. So isa sa pwede natin gawin kapag halimbawa na-encounter natin ito is to, of course, troubleshoot it. Sometimes or most of the time, kapag nag-open tayo ng meeting, no, meron tayong nakikita doon na video. Yun. So, pwede nating, or video icon. Okay? We can just click on that para at least makita natin yung available na video camera natin. Okay? So, I am using desktop and I am using a Tech camera. Kaso nga lang, hindi niya ata supported. So, ano ang pwede natin gawin? You can just hit on Manage. And then, ibababa lang natin. Makikita mo, we have our camera here. Just click on the camera. Ayun, you can select. It's either Tech or Cyberlink UCAM 9. Okay? And then just click or back. Back lang natin yan. Okay na yun. Back natin sa site settings. Balik natin dito. Ayun, so wala pa rin. Click natin ito. Camera is off. I am using Cyberlink 9. Okay, that is a software. Next, pag hindi pa rin gumagana, you can just click on here on More Options. Click natin si More Options. And then we can just click on the settings. Ayan. And then in here, you can see we have the audio. Nakikita nyo, medyo gumagalaw yung audio natin. That is an indication that your audio is working. Okay? And then on the next tab, makikita natin si video. Okay? And we have a remark here, camera failed. Okay? So I am using Tech or Tech camera and hindi siya gumagana. So what I am going to do is to select my Cyberlink UCAM 9 and here and then just click on Done. Okay? As you can see, ayun na yung mukha natin. Okay, mukha bang bagong gising? Okay, just kidding aside. Okay, so next thing that you're going to do, at least nakita mo na kung paano or nakita niyo na kung paano i-resolve ang inyong video kapag hindi nag-appear. Okay, and then the next thing that you're going to do is to click on Join or Present. Okay, so there are two options here. We can just click on Join Meeting or Join Now. After clicking Join Now, we can add people or copy joining info. So we can just click on copy joining info and then send them the link para at least click lang nila. Okay? So, pwede mong i-copy yan. You can send it to your student. You can send it to your coworker para at least mag-start na yung inyong conference. Then, the next thing or other thing is to click on Add People. Pag Add People naman, it will allow you to enter the email of your co-teacher or your co-worker or your student para at least mag-join sila doon sa ating Google Meeting. Okay? So, kapag nasa friends list mo na sila, andyan yung mga suggestions. So, we can invite, say for example, mag-invite tayo ng isa para at least matry natin kanina. I'm going to invite myself. Okay? Kasi papakita natin mamaya kung paano mag-meet yung dalawa. Okay? So, I'll be using my phone later para at least ma-test natin yung meeting. And then just click on Send Email. Okay? But the easiest thing or the easiest way to do is copy the link and then send it on copy the link and send it to the Facebook Messenger. Okay? Kasi ang mga estudyante natin or even our coworker are active in social media, especially on Messenger. That is the easiest way for me. Okay? But you can also use email. Okay? So I'm just giving you insights or binibigyan ko lang kayo ng alternatives kung paano nyo send yung link or invite your students. Okay? So next part, pag-usapan natin yung mga nandirito. We have a show everyone. So ibig sabihin, we've invited, ako lang yung nandirito. Papakita natin, i-accept natin mamaya, papapasukin natin mamaya yung isang account ko para at least makita natin. Okay, close ko muna yan and then balik tayo. We can also chat everyone here. Pwede kayong mag-message dito. Say for example, maingay sila or their video is open and their microphone is open. You can chat them. Okay? So please, pwede mong i-chat dyan. Please turn off your microphone. Okay? So pwede nyong ilagay dyan. Then send them or send it to the GC. So lahat ng member ng meeting na yan ay mababasa yung message mo. Okay? So that is chat. Then of course the time. Then we have the video in here. The next thing, sa may baba naman, makikita natin if you are a student or if you're joining on a conference or a meeting or a webinar, laging sinasabi ng ating moderator, laging sinasabi ng moderator natin to turn off your microphone. Kasi, syempre, pag halimbawa seminar man yan or lesson man yan or lecture man yan, you need to turn off the microphone. So, ito yung icon na yon. You can click on the turn off microphone, then same as with the video camera. They can turn off the video camera. Okay? So, pag turn off natin yung video camera, ayan, magpapakita yung ating thumbnails or yung ating profile picture on thing. We have our meeting details. Ayan, kung halimbawa hindi mo na-kopya kanina, we can see it here. You can click on copy joining info. Next part is we have turn on captions or turn on captions. Okay, on turn, ilalagay natin yung captions natin. Okay, class, keep quiet. Okay, instead of typing your message on the chat, you can also state it and using caption. Please turn off your microphone, same as with your camera. Okay, so the present now. Okay, I'm going to turn off first the video. Okay, so next na pag-usapan natin is the present now. Okay, so that is caption. Kanina, that is caption. Next is the present now. Say for instance, you're going to present something or you're going to present your PowerPoint or you want to display your desktop or you want to show something to your student. Okay, so you can click on present now. Okay, we have an option here under present now. You can just click on entire screen. Okay, we have a window or a Chrome tab. Okay, pero usually ang pinay-present or pinapakita or ginagawa is your entire screen. Say for instance, you are demonstrating or nagde-demo ka ng webinar and then meron kang kukunin sa Chrome mo. Then you are going to open your PowerPoint presentation. Kaya it is advisable to use your entire screen para at least kahit mag-switch ka from one application to other application, at least andun pa rin. Okay? So, let's try. Say for instance, we have your entire screen. Once I click that one, ito yung lalabas. Okay? On other cases, once you click on present now, lalabas yung mga options na nakatab. Okay? Pero dito sa akin, meron tayong present now, and then all you have to do para mag-enable itong share is to click the screen. And then just click on share. Ayun, makikita nyo, you are presenting your screen. Okay? So, you are presenting your screen. So, nandito yan, mga yan. So, same as with the student, please, if you are attending the class or you are attending a class, wag po nating pipindutin yung you are presenting. Same as with the teacher who are attending different series or different webinars. Please, wag tayong agaw eksena sa mga natin, sa mga lecturer natin. Most of the time, sa mga na-attendan ko na webinars, hindi naman nila sinasadya. Napipindot lang nila yung present now. Okay? So, sa mga nanonood na nakarelate, ayun, at meron kayong kakilala, sabihin nyo lang, comment down below, relate ako dyan. Okay? So, next. So, after presenting, you can click on stop presenting. Pwede mong stop yon. Say, for instance, papakita ko yung desktop ko. Ito yung desktop natin. Makikita rin natin sa screen or makikita rin ng mga student natin itong screen natin. Okay? Kaya kapag nagpe-present tayo, make it sure na yung ating screen ay malinis. So, going back with our browser, let us stop the presenting. Next na gagawin po natin is to click on this or itong 3 dots below. Makikita natin itong 3 dots below. May mga options dyan. Okay? So, what are the options? The first one is the record meeting. It's important for us to record the meeting. Okay, para say for example may mga nakalimutan ka or say for example gusto mong balikan yung sessions or gusto mong balikan yung mga questions lalong-lalo na kapag halimbawa marami kang audience, at least mababalikan mo and then mari-review mo din kung paano yung pagpa-present mo. Okay? So all you have to do is to click on record the meeting, then we have ask for consent. You have accept and decline. Of course, all you have to do is to click on accept. Paano natin malalaman kapag nagre-record na siya? Makikita mo on the left upper part ng screen natin, we have our record or record na color red. Ibig sabihin, nag-start na pong mag-record yan. Question, once it is recorded, saan po napupunta yan? Okay? Napupunta po yung ating recordings doon din sa ating drive. Meron tayong makikitang meeting recordings or meet recordings on your Google Drive. Naka-attach po ang ating email. Kanina ang ginamit ko ay debit email, kaya pag bubuksan mo yung recorded version ng inyong meeting, makikita mo lang sa drive.google.com and then open meet folder. Okay? So, we have to toggle again, that is recording. After ng recording natin, kung halimbawa tapos na yung session natin, all you have to do is to click on stop. Okay? So, last webinar, meron akong co-teacher na na-close na niya yung browser niya. Aburido siya. Why? It's because hindi niya na-stop. So, akala niya is hindi nag-record. Whether you click stop or hindi mo na napindot yung stop, automatic po yung ating recording na mapupunta doon sa Google Drive natin. Okay? Next part is we have the change layout. Okay, on the change layout, once you click on the change layout, eto yung nakalagay. By default, naka-auto siya. Okay, so we can click on sidebar. Pag sidebar, ibig sabihin, makikita mo yung pre-present mo. At the same time, makikita mo rin yung audience mo. Okay, so on our case, hindi siya nagpapakita. Why? It's because solo pa lang natin yung ating Google Meet. Next part is on the change layout pa rin tayo. We have the spotlight. Kung gusto mo yung buong screen na makita or yung buong screen ng kung audience ka, kung gusto mong makita yung buong picture or sa entire screen mo yung nagsasalita, you can just click on spotlight. Okay? Pag halimbawa tapos na yung session at gusto mong mag-selfie kayo, you can just click on tiled para at least makita mo lahat ng viewers mo doon. Okay? Makikita mo naman dito ang change layout, kung ano itsura niya. Pag tiled siya, ibig sabihin lahat ng mga naka-meeting dyan, makikita mo. Okay? Kaya kung halimbawa mag-screenshot ka and then kailangan mo sa daily accomplishment mo or report mo, you can just click on tiled. Okay? Kung halimbawa nagpe-present ka naman or gusto mong makita yung nagpe-present at the same time, gusto mo ring makita yung mga viewers, etong si sidebar. Okay? Pero kung gusto mo nakafocus ka lang sa nagle-lecture, you can just click on change layout and then spotlight. Okay? Ayun po. Next thing, na full screen ko siya. Okay? So, we can click on full screen. Ito yung susunod natin. Just click on full screen. Anong difference ng full screen? Pag full screen naman, matatanggal itong nasa taas. Hindi natin makikita yan. Let us see. Once I click on full screen, ayun, natanggal yung address bar ng ating browser. Ito lang yung naiwan. Okay? Then, balik natin. Andun si turn on caption. Same as with this. Settings. Of course, you can also use a phone for audio. We have report a problem, then we have report abuse. Okay? So, if you're done, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, you can just click on stop. Okay? Ngayon, tignan natin. I am a teacher, I am the lecturer, nag-invite ako kanina. We are going to invite, or we're going to allow my other account, to enter on this meeting para at least makita natin. Okay? Let us assume na or save po natin siya. Okay? Save natin siya or send po natin siya on Facebook. Say for example. Okay, and then next we have to click. Say for example, we have Mark Kabatbat. Ayan. Send ko sa sarili ko. If you have your GC or if you have your group chat, you can send the link on your group chat para at least ma-copy nila. So I'm just going to paste it. Wait, and the next na gagawin po natin is to copy. Sir, na-copy ko kanina, kaso nga lang, iba na yung nagpi-paste. Saan ko makikita yung info? Okay, so yung info, makikita natin dito sa meeting details. Just click on the meeting details. And then we have the following. Then just click on copy joining info. Okay, that is copied meeting link. All you have to do is to go to your Facebook or Messenger. You can send it on the group, no? Link natin. Then, or Messenger rather. And then, just click on the link. So, join meeting tayo. Okay. Ayan. Ayan, nagba-bounce back na naman siya. Aside from that, ano pa nga ba? Kasi malis na rin yung ating audience. Or stop na natin pala. So, by clicking stop recording, then stop recording po tayo, and then just end the call. Yun na po yung yun na po yung tutorial natin sa araw na to. So, that is how to use Google Meet. Okay? Ayun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood and sa lahat ng subscriber. Okay? So, 2,000 subscriber natin, maraming salamat po. And comment down kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong or matutunan sa mga susunod. Maraming salamat. This is Sir Mark C. Keep safe everyone and God bless you all.